This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Very spacious second-floor condo in Venetian Village. 3 large bedrooms and 2 baths with an eat-in kitchen. From the great room, sliding glass doors open onto a large balcony overlooking lush landscaping and usage to the community pool. Carpet and tile in wet areas throughout. Freshly painted interior neutral colors throughout. 1 car attached garage. No pets, first, last, and security deposit required. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.